If you ever wondered whether Brizy is actually worth using compared to Elementor, this video is definitely for you. Hey, this is Ed. I've been building my own website with Brizy for a while now, really pushing it to see what it can do and what it struggles with. In this video, I'm going to walk with you through what I love about Brizy, what frustrates me, and whether I think it's a good, solid alternative to Elementor. If you want to check out Brizy for yourself, click on the link below in the description at any time during this video. So let's get started. Why I like Brizy. Number one, it's user-friendly. The first thing I like about Brizy is how easy it is to use right from the start. It feels very intuitive. Even if you're brand new to building websites, you can jump in and start putting together pages fairly quickly. It somewhat reminded me of Squarespace because of how easy it was to use. Now, once you get more into advanced customizations, you might run into a few challenges here and there. But if your goal is to just get a clean, functional website up and running, Brizy makes that process very straightforward. Number two, pricing. The pricing is honestly one of the strongest parts of Brizy. At the time of making this video, the personal plan is $59 per year for one website and includes all the standard pro features. If you need more, the freelancer plan is $99 per year and covers up to 25 websites plus membership functionality. Compare that to Elementor, where the lowest plan starts at $14.99 per month for one site and goes up to $34.99 per month for 3 sites. When you look at them side by side, $59 per year for one site or $99 per year for up to 25 sites is a strong value. Number three, design and pre-made blocks. Another reason why I like Brizy is its design approach. They include a lot of clean, modern, pre-made blocks and layouts. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can just drop in sections like gallery, testimonials, and they all look professional. For beginners or business owners, this is a huge time saver. Personally, I don't use them often, but it's nice to have when you need more ideas. Number four, performance and page speed. Performance is another important area when building a website. Overall, Brizy pages feel light and they load pretty quickly compared to some of the heavy builders out there. This is great for user experience. In fact, Brizy was one of the page builders I was considering when I was convinced that Divi was too bloated and made the website slower to use. Brizy also claimed that their websites would be lighter and faster, and that's why I got it. Number five, support and updates. I will say that the support team is great. It's one of those things I'm always looking for when I'm looking for a website builder. Is their customer support good? And I will say that their support team is great. They respond to me when I have issues with Brizy, and they are actively updating their website builder. This gives me confidence that Brizy is still being developed, improved, and supported over time. Also, I want to mention that they do their best to answer every single question. And believe me, I ask a lot of questions, and they haven't complained once, unlike other platforms out there. So now that we talked about a lot of positive things about Brizy, let's get to the negatives about Brizy and why I don't like certain things about Brizy. To be fair, I haven't run into a massive list of problems, and I'm sure I'll discover more as time goes by. But here are the main issues I've personally experienced so far. Number one, there is no Aweber integration. Brizy doesn't currently support Aweber directly, and that's the email provider that I use. When I asked about it, they told me to use a webhook instead. I didn't know what that was. Also, I didn't know how to do that, and all they did was direct me to the Aweber website, which was not helpful. Also, the overall ecosystem just isn't as big as Elementor's. You don't get as many third-party widgets or add-ons or integrations. So if you rely on a lot of marketing tools or automation, you may feel like it's a little limited with Brizy. So the second issue I ran into was with the single post template. I created a custom post template in Brizy, but my text URL links wouldn't change to the link color I assigned. They all appeared as the same color. In normal WordPress posts, the links display correctly, but inside the Brizy template, they don't. And this was very frustrating to me because I felt like this was such a simple thing to do, where if there's a text and you put a link in that text, usually there's a color on it. But for some reason in Brizy, it's all the same color. To Brizy's credit, they said that this will be fixed in the next update and gave me a CSS as a temporary workaround. But realistically, it's still something that shouldn't be happening. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, Brizy. But all in all, really, these are the only 2 issues I ran into so far with Brizy. So here's my overall take. I think Brizy is an excellent choice for beginners who want to use WordPress. If you want to build a clean, modern website without making things overly complicated, it's easy to use, looks great, and offers very competitive pricing. But if you're an experienced WordPress user, an agency owner, or someone who wants maximum control, tons of integrations, and a big ecosystem, Elementor may still feel like the stronger choice. With that said, Brizy is still a solid page builder. It's not perfect, but for the right person, it's a great tool and honestly really enjoyable to work with. If you want to give Brizy a try, just click on the link below in the description and check it out. I highly recommend it. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.